Good morning, I'm Priyanka Sharma, and up next we have some breaking news coming in. Yogi Adityanath, the UP Chief Minister, has stated in a media bite where he has claimed that he will be contesting the UP Assembly polls if the party asks him. He has also stated that the BJP has a parliamentary board that makes these decisions and that if the party wants, he will be contesting in the assembly elections. And Adityanath has also stated that they have completed all of the promises that they had made in the 2017 UP Assembly polls and that the BJP and the Yogi government has completed, in fact, all of the promises that they had made in their manifesto in the 20 UP Assembly polls as well. Now that is the breaking news coming in. The fight for UP intensifies, where we're now seeing the current Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath claiming that he will be contesting the forthcoming assembly polls, and he has stated that he will be doing so if the party leadership decides. He has said that I have always contested elections and will contest from wherever the party will say. The party has a parliamentary board and it decides who will contest from where. For more details on this, let me go across to my colleague Sumi. Sumi, good morning to you. We are seeing the fight for UP intensifying, and now the current Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has said that he will be contesting the elections if the BJP parliamentary board decides. What more are you picking up on the ground in the UP, and how is the fight for UP elections, in fact, intensifying?
Yes, Priyanka, absolutely. There's a massive statement coming from the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh himself. Yogi Adityanath has now given out a statement and said that he will contest the assembly polls, upcoming assembly polls in the year 2022 if the parliamentary board of the Bharatiya Janata Party decides so. Currently, he's the member of Legislative Council, but if the party decides that he will have to contest the election, he will do that from wherever the party decides. And as you correctly pointed out, the fight for the chair of the Chief Minister is now intensifying in the state of Uttar Pradesh because Samajwadi Party has also trained its guns and they are forming alliance with the small parties. However, the BJP has also, the discussions are going on within the BJP for the seat sharing formula and also for the tickets. And in fact, the BJP has not formed an alliance with any of the parties. Currently, the party stays intact the way it is. And in fact, UP is going to see a massive fight between Bharatiya Janata Party, Samajwadi Party, Bahujan Samaj Party and also the SBSP and all individual candidates and also other major parties that are going to take part in the UP elections.
Well, yes, that's right, Sumi. Thank you so much for that update. Breaking news here on Republic that Yogi Adityanath has made that statement that he will be contesting in the UP Assembly polls if the BJP parliamentary board decides. Sumi, thank you for the time being. I trust you to keep us ahead on that story.